Oh no, not another summer with that old sunscreen routine. Sure, it's important to protect your skin from harmful UV rays, but what about the harm caused by sunscreen itself? Well, let's figure out why you're having skin irritation for using sunscreen. Sunscreens need to be applied just right. Too little and you're not protected. Too much and you'll feel like a greasy mess. It's like sunscreen is saying, I want you to love me, but not too much. So make sure to apply the recommended amount and apply every 2 hours to keep your skin protected and happy. When it's hot and humid outside, everything feels sticky and uncomfortable, including your sunscreen. It's like putting on a layer of slime before going out into the world. The combination of sweat and sunscreen can lead to clogged pores, breakouts, and irritation. So, if you're spending too much time outside in the heat, consider using a lighter weight sunscreen or opting for protective clothing instead. Some people's skin is just not a fan of the chemical used in sunscreens. It's like your skin is hippie and wants everything to be natural and organic. Chemical UV filters like oxybenzone, avobenzone, and octinoxate may cause a burning, stinging sensation and redness. So, if your skin is telling you to stick to the green life, it may be worth trying a mineral sunscreen with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide instead. Sunscreen is great for protecting your skin, but it's not so great when it's left on for too long. It's like wearing a hat for days without taking it off. Things can get pretty gross. If you don't wash off your sunscreen at the end of the day, it can lead to clogged pores and irritation. So make sure to give your skin a good cleanse before bed, and your skin will thank you. If you have a skin condition like rosacea or eczema, your skin might be extra sensitive to sunscreens. It's like your skin is a drama queen and even the slightest thing can set it off. Sunscreens can aggravate the condition and cause more redness, itching, and discomfort. So, if you're dealing with these issues, it's worth talking to your dermatologist to find a sunscreen that won't make things worse. Sunscreen has an expiration date, just like that leftover pizza in your fridge. It's tempting to try to stretch it out as long as possible, but using expired sunscreen can lead to irritation and reduced effectiveness. So, if your sunscreen is smelling funky or looking a little strange, it's time to say goodbye and get a fresh bottle. Some people have a bit of a diva complex, and their skin is no exception. It may decide to throw a tantrum when it encounters certain ingredients in sunscreen, like fragrances, preservatives, or oxybenzone. It's like your skin is saying, "Ew, I don't like this, take it away." The result can be an itchy, red, and swollen mess. So if you're one of these sensitive types, make sure to read the label carefully before. Taking care of your skin is crucial, but finding the right sunscreen can be a challenge. It's important to understand that skin irritation from sunscreen is common, but there are steps you can take to prevent it. Consider trying a different sunscreen formula or brand and patch test before using it all over. Additionally, taking breaks from the sun and wearing protective clothes can help. With the right precautions, you can protect your skin without the discomfort of irritation. Remember, healthy skin is happy skin.